Hey guys, this is the introduction of the Notion course, and here I'm going to explain some simple things. The first is that in the second module, we will see everything about the Notion, all the functions and settings and blocks that it has. Already in the third module, we will make projects with Notion. In the first project, we will build a second brain. It will be a kind of personal wiki, who will have all the notes and projects, activities and things that we want to keep and organize. We will also make an entertainment schedule. This is something I had an idea for recently, because I always had a lot of things that I found interesting to watch. However, I never had time and always kept putting it off. So I've made this entertainment schedule where I organize the series and movies that I want to watch. And so, when I don't have anything to do, I follow that list. And finally, we will also make a habit manager. We will manage all the habits we want to acquire by Notion, and thus go monitoring productivity with them. I hope you enjoy it and have fun.